So let me show you step by step how to move a folder to another folder in Google Drive. So after you open your Google Drive like this, the first thing you should do, you click on this My Drive. After you click on the My Drive, here it will show you all your folders inside your Google Drive. So the next thing you should do, if you want to, let's say now I want to move this my PC folder to this one or to this edit folder. So all you have to do, just drag the folder. After you select the folder, then drag it to the folder that you want to move it to. So after you leave the folder, as you can see now the folder has been moved inside this folder. So and that's it guys. And if you want, you can at the same time. So at the same time now, if you want to move another folder to another folder, so you can click on this, right click on the folder. After you right click on the folder, then you go to organize. After you go to organize, then you click on this move folder. So now select the folder that you want to move to. Now it will give you all your folders. So now I want to move this folder into, let's say, this one. After you select the folder, then click on this move. So move again. So as you can see now I move this folder inside this one. If I open the folder, I can be able now to see it. Now here is the folder. If this video helps, like and subscribe. We'll meet in the next one.